Republic Day programs. Namaste. Do you know who am I? I am Sarojini Naidu, Indian political activist and poet. I'm also called the Nightingale of India. I was a part of Indian nationalist movement and a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. I am the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress and the first woman governor of Indian state. We want deeper sincerity of motive, a greater courage in speech and earnestness in action. If you like this video, please click the like button, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notifications